Have you ever dreamed of holding your own book in your hands? What if I told you that you could publish it for free and reach millions of readers across the globe right from your laptop? It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. It's Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, and it has completely revolutionized the world for authors like you and me. For years, getting published meant navigating a maze of literary agents, rejection letters, and publishing houses. The gatekeepers held all the power, but Amazon KDP smashed those gates wide open. It's a completely free, do-it-yourself platform that puts you, the author, in the driver's seat. You simply upload your manuscript, whether it's an ebook or a paperback, you set your own price, and within hours, your book is listed for sale on Amazon's global stores. Think about that: America, Europe, Japan, Australia, all at your fingertips. The best part: there are no upfront costs, no listing fees. For paperbacks, they use a print-on-demand model. This means a physical copy of your book is only printed when a customer actually buys it. You never have to pay for a garage full of inventory that might never sell. Amazon handles the printing, the shipping, the customer service, everything. All you need is your story and the earnings. They're a game changer. With traditional publishing, authors are lucky to see 10-15 royalties. With KDP, you can earn up to 70% royalty on your ebooks. Yes, you read that right, 70%. To make things even easier, KDP provides free tools like Kindle Create to help you format your book perfectly for Kindle readers. Essentially, if you have a story to tell and an internet connection, you can become a published author today. But before you rush to hit that publish button, let's talk about the rules of the road. KDP is an amazing tool, but it's Amazon's playground, so you have to play by their rules. When you sign up, you're agreeing to their terms and conditions, which is a legally binding contract. It's crucial to understand these guidelines to ensure your publishing journey is smooth and successful. First and foremost, legality and rights. This is non-negotiable. You can only publish content that you created yourself or have explicit legal permission to use. Uploading pirated material or anything that infringes on someone else's copyright is a fast track to getting your account terminated. It's simple. If you didn't write it, don't publish it. Next up, offensive content. Amazon is committed to providing a positive experience for its customers. This means they have a zero-tolerance policy for hate speech, pornography, content that promotes illegal acts, or anything that glorifies self-harm. They are the final judge of what they consider offensive, and if your book crosses that line, it will be removed. Keep it clean, keep it respectful. Now, let's talk about something that trips up a lot of new authors: metadata integrity. Your book's title, subtitle, author name, and description must accurately reflect your content. The goal is to be honest and clear, not to trick the algorithm. This means no keyword stuffing. For example, if you wrote a sci-fi novel, don't list Stephen King or J.K. Rowling in your author name or keywords hoping to catch some of their traffic. Amazon systems are smart, and they will flag this as misleading. Your book will be rejected, and it just creates a poor experience for readers. Be authentic. Your book's quality should be what attracts readers, not sneaky tricks. With the rise of new technology, Amazon has also set clear guidelines on AI-generated content. If your book's text, images, or translations are created by an AI tool, you must disclose this when you publish. Now, if you're just using AI to help you edit, brainstorm, or polish your own work, what they call AI-assisted, you don't need to disclose it. But if the core content is machine-generated, you have to be transparent about it. Finally, a note on public domain works. You might be tempted to republish a classic like Pride and Prejudice. You can, but there's a catch. Amazon will only allow it if you add significant, unique content. This could be original illustrations, detailed annotations, or a scholarly introduction. You can't just copy and paste a freely available text and sell it. You have to add value. Violating any of these rules can have serious consequences, from your book being taken down to your entire KDP account being suspended. My advice? Take 30 minutes and actually read the KDP policies. It will save you a world of headache down the line. Treat your writing like a business, and that starts with knowing the rules. So, why do so many authors, myself included, absolutely love KDP? Let's break down the 3 biggest advantages: cost and control, global reach, and high royalties. First, cost and control. As I mentioned, it is genuinely free to use. There are no hidden fees. Amazon only makes money when you make money. This lowers the barrier to entry to zero. But beyond the cost, it's the control that is so empowering. You retain 100% of your rights. You can set your own price, change your cover, update your manuscript, and run promotions whenever you want. You are the CEO of your author career. This level of creative and business freedom is simply unheard of in traditional publishing. Second, the global reach is staggering. With a few clicks, your book is available in over a dozen Amazon marketplaces worldwide. A reader in Germany or Brazil can discover and buy your book just as easily as someone in your hometown. KDP unifies your publishing efforts, allowing you to release an ebook, a paperback, and even a hardcover all from the same dashboard. They even integrate with Audible's platform, Axe, making it straightforward to turn your book into an audiobook. It's a one-stop shop for global distribution. And third, let's talk more about those royalties. This is where KDP truly shines. For ebooks priced between $2.99 and $9.99, you can opt for the 70% royalty rate. Let that sink in. On a $9.99 ebook, you're making about $7 per sale. To put that in perspective, a traditionally published author might make $1 on a book with the same price. For paperbacks, you earn a 60% royalty, but you have to subtract the printing cost. The printing cost is fixed and depends on your page count. And trim size, and Amazon's calculator is very transparent, so you always know your profit margin before you even publish. There's even another potential income stream. If you enroll your book in KDP Select, it becomes available in Kindle Unlimited, Amazon's subscription reading service. You then get paid for every single page a subscriber reads. This KDP Select Global Fund is a multi-million-dollar pot that gets distributed to authors every month. For many authors, these page-read earnings make up a significant portion of their income. When you combine the total lack of financial risk, the complete creative control, the incredible global distribution, and the industry-leading royalty rates, you start to see why KDP isn't just an option anymore, it's the gateway. It's the future of self-publishing. So if you've got that manuscript sitting on your hard drive, that story burning inside you, what are you waiting for? The tools are there. The platform is ready. The world is waiting to read your book. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this gave you the clarity and confidence to start your publishing journey. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on writing and self-publishing. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Now go write your story.